I had a wonderful experience with Dr. Diane Gibby. She is a superb doctor and very caring plastic surgeon who is compassionate and honest and did a superb job with my breast augmentation. She is definitely the best of the best in breast augmentation, as I consulted with 10 plastic surgeons before I made my decision. Dr. Gibby rocks.
I had my first breast augmentation in 2001 with Dr. Gibby. I have had better results with this procedure, done with very high level of skill and attention to detail, than any of my friends' results. She had excellent follow-up and care, is conservative, and very good at figuring out what your best option is for your body shape and size. This year, I had a deflation of one breast, and Dr. Gibby performed the replacement surgery along with liposuction of my legs and thighs. I continue to be extremely impressed with her surgery center staff and personal caring and compassion. She has impeccable credentials, is brilliant, and is also very artistic in her approach to the procedures. With a 10-year consistent history and relationship with her, I could not recommend her more highly as an outstanding, thoughtful, and skilled surgeon. You'll be in very good hands with her and her team.
Dr. Gibby is very compassionate and understanding. She's highly talented and has the added bonus of being a mom who understands the perspective of a woman. I'm pleased with the procedure she performed.
I spent a year researching the different procedures that I was thinking about having done and researching all the different doctors that were in my area. After giving it a great deal of thought, I decided to make an appointment for a consultation with Dr. Gibby. At the time, my husband and I were living in Cleburne, so making the drive to Dallas was kind of a big deal. When I met Dr. Gibby and saw how professional and friendly she was, I had a feeling she was the right pick for me. We thoroughly went over all the problems I was having: saggy, empty-feeling breasts from breastfeeding, extra skin around my midsection from pregnancy, and more fat around my hips, knees, and thighs than I had had previously before my pregnancy. After talking with her, we decided together which surgeries would be in my best interest for the results I was wanting. Even though she was 2 hours away, I still chose her because I felt she was worth the drive. After my surgery, I was in horrible pain. I had trouble sleeping for a little over a month and had trouble breathing at night due to anxiety. Dr. Gibby was with me every step of the way during my recovery. Her and her staff truly care about their patients. Dr. Gibby prescribed me the proper medications to help me overcome my sleeping problems and the anxiety I was facing. Dr. Gibby even gave me her home telephone number and email address. Most doctors don't do that anymore. I was amazed. During my recovery, while I was not getting enough sleep and was in a world of pain, I regretted having my surgery in a way. But after I began sleeping better and the pain went away, I was very happy that I had had the surgery. I was glad that I'd gone through the surgery because it was worth all the pain and problems I faced. Dr. Gibby did a great job with my body, and I've never felt better about myself. She managed to turn the ugly mess that I felt about myself into a true beauty. I have her to thank for the wonderful job she did. I would recommend her to any woman that wanted to have plastic surgery done.
Dr. Gibby is a great caring doctor who took so much time to get to know me and what I really wanted for my mommy makeover after my children. As a mother herself, she really understood how important it was for my self-esteem to get back my body. I love my results from the tummy tuck and breast augmentation. I've referred many of my friends to her as well with similar results. I cannot say enough great things about how kind, how gentle, and wonderful Dr. Gibby is and has been to me. I highly recommend her.
I'm a 23-year-old young woman. Seeing my once-then body, you would think I gave birth, but I didn't. I just naturally had this shelf above and below my belly button. It was also very distinctly creased. Dr. Gibby has an unbelievable bedside manner. I look to her as if she was my own family, as if she was an aunt of mine. She is so loving, so nurturing, and so patient. She has this unique sincerity that I'm sure other plastic surgeons have yet to understand. Above all, Dr. Gibby is genuine. She cares for her patients and truly loves what she does. Heck, I even booked my surgery on her Thanksgiving without consulting her first, and she did the procedure for me. Now, if that doesn't measure a person's character, I don't know what does. I have never been happier, and I'm almost brought to tears just writing this testimony. Dr. Gibby is my present-day Michelangelo. She revealed the real me. I am forever grateful.